Hi guys, I'm Cyrus Quijano Grande and today ang sasagutan naman nating problem ay corporation accounting. So, ang problem na sasagutan natin ay problem 1. So, ayun, basahin na natin. Pen and Paper Company began operation on January 1, 2020. Authorized were 100,000 ordinary shares of 100 par value and 50,000 cumulative preference shares of 10% par value. The following transactions involving shareholders' equity record occurred during the first year of operation. So, ayan. Requirement number 1, journalize the above transactions. Requirement number 2, prepare a shareholders' equity section of the statement of financial position as of December 31, 2020. So, start na natin mag-journal entry. January 1, issued 10,000 ordinary shares for the promoters in exchange for land valued at 2,500,000 and service valued at 500,000. The property had cost the promoters 1,800,000 3 years before and was carried on the promoters book at 1,500,000. So, ang carrying amount daw nung property is 1,500,000. Ang susundin natin is yung kanyang fair value na 2,500,000. Issuance of share for non-cash consideration. So, ang entry natin dyan, ang journal entry natin is organization expense, na 500,000. And then yung land, fair value ng land na 2,500,000. And then ordinary shares, um 10,000 times 100 is equals to 1 million. And then balancing figure yung share premium nya. Amount of 2 million. January 1, February 20. On February 20 daw, issued 15,000 preference shares of 120 per share. The entity paid 50,000 to an agent for selling the shares. So, yung expense na na-incur natin is hindi naman sa pagbuo ng corporation. Ang gagawin natin dito is ibabawas natin dun sa share premium and then sa cash natin kasi siya ay expense na na-incur natin mula dun sa pag-i-issue na share. Cash na 15,000 times 120 is equals to 1,800,000 less 50,000. So, ayun, 1,750,000. And then preference shares amount of 1,500,000 kasi 15,000 times 100 is equals to 1,500,000 and then share premium yung balance ayan, balancing figure na 250,000. Ang share premium sana natin dito is 300,000 kung hindi natin ibabawas yung 50,000 dun sa cash. Pero since deduction from share premium method yung ginamit natin, ibabawas na natin siya sa share premium. And then next month, March 10 daw, sold 25,000 ordinary shares for 260 per share. Issue cost amount of 200,000. Ayun. Cash amount of 6,300,000 kasi nga binawas na natin yung 200,000 na issue cost ordinary shares at par na 2,500,000 kasi nga 25,000 times 100. And the next, yung share premium balancing figure na 3,800,000. Next month, April 1. Nung April 1 daw, sold 20,000 ordinary shares under share subscriptions at 350 per share. No share certificates are issued until a subscriptions contract is paid in full. No cash was received. So, nakabenta daw tayo ng share pero sa subscription at wala pang binibigay na cash. So, lahat ng mali-debit natin is subscription receivable lang. Receivable amount of 20,000 times 350 na 7 million. And then subscribe ordinary share amount of 2 million. And then share premium yung balance nila amount of 5 million. Then next month, April 8, nung April 8 daw, reacquire 5,000 ordinary shares at 300 per share. So nire-acquire nung corporation yung shares. So ibig sabihin mapupunta to sa treasury shares ng corporation. So ang pag-measure ng treasury share ay at cost. So 5 treasury shares 5,000 times 300 is equals to 1,500,000. And then next month is in July 15. Yan. In July 15 daw, exchange 12,000 ordinary shares and 20,000 preference shares for a building with a fair value of 7 million. The building was originally purchased for 6,500,000 by the owner and has a carrying amount of 4,800,000. In addition, 10,000 ordinary shares were sold for 3 million cash on same date. So, yung una muna, ang i-journal muna natin is yung exchange sa building. So, debit building at fair value amount of 7 million. And then, preference shares amount of 2 million. And then ordinary shares amount of 1,200,000. And then since pareha silang in-issue, yung share premium nila is iisa lang, so i-allocate natin yun dun sa share capital ng dalawa o dun sa naging capital nila dito. So share premium ng preference is equals to 2,375,000. Sa ordinary shares naman ay yung balance na lang, or 3,800,000 times 12 divide 32 na 1,425,000. Kasi inallocate nga yung cost nila. Sabay next naman is yung addition na another issuance. So cash for 3 million ordinary shares, amount of 1 million, and then share premium nya amount of 2 million. Ayan. So next, on July 20, declare a 2 peso per share cash dividend payable on September 20. So nag-declare daw ng cash dividends na 2 pesos per share. So July 20, debit retained earnings kasi nga nag-declared na earnings. So ang amount nun is iba-base natin sa outstanding shares natin. So ang outstanding share natin sa preference shares is equals to 35,000, and ang outstanding share naman natin sa ordinary shares is 72,000. So pag-add lang natin 35,000 plus 72,000 is equals to 107,000 times 2 pesos, so equals 214,000 yung ating dividends. Cash dividends payable, credit cash dividends payable 214,000. And then next, noong August 1, receive payments in full for half of the share subscription and partial payments on the rest of subscriptions. Total cash received was 4,500,000. Share certificates were issued for the subscription paid in full. So na-receive na daw yung payments dun sa kalahati ng subscription receivable natin. August 1. So credit cash, debit cash for 4,500,000. And then credit subscription receivable amount of 4,500,000. Since nabayadan na yung kalahati nung subscription receivable, and sabi doon nag-issued na din na share certificate para doon sa nabayadan na natin ng buo. So de-debit na yung subscribe ordinary share and then credit na since na-issue na nga yung ordinary shares. Yan. Amount of, since 2 million yung subscribe ordinary share natin, din yung kalahati ngayon na issue, edi 1 million. 1 million. And the next month is August 5. Ang August 5 daw, nag-reissue ng treasury share na 2,800 at 285 per share. So debit cash for 2,800 times 285 is equals to 798,000. Since na-reissue yung treasury share natin below cost, magkakaroon tayo ng loss. So bale wala pa tayong past transaction sa treasury shares, kaya wala pa rin tayong share premium para sa treasury. So i-charge natin yung loss sa retained earnings. Retained earnings, and then yung cost ng treasury shares is 2,800 times 300 is equals to 840,000. Balancing figure, ang loss natin is 42,000. In the next month, September 20, binayaran na daw yung dividends na dineclare natin ng July. So cash dividends payable 214, mawawala na tayo ng payable, and cash. Credit cash for 214,000. Next month, nung August 10, receive a mobile equipment with a fair value of 500,000 as a donation from the shareholder. So, naka-receive daw tayo ng donation mula sa shareholder natin. So, October 20, October 10, debit, equipment, na na-receive natin. Fair value niya is 500,000. And then credit, donated capital since shareholder siya ng corporation. Capital, amount of fair value nung natanggap natin, 500,000. And then next, nung November 8, naka-receive daw ng nag-declare daw ng 2/5 share split for ordinary shares. So nag-declare daw, so no entry to. Bale, magiging yung share natin is tataas, and then yung fair value niya is pababa. So total shares natin times 5 divide 2, and then yung fair value naman natin is 100 times 2 divide 5 is equals to 40 pesos na lang. Ang fair value na lang natin is 40 pesos. And the next, on November 15, declare a 20% share dividends on ordinary shares payable on December 15. So, nag-declare daw. So, debit retained earnings. So, alamin naman natin kung ano, ilan yung outstanding share natin nung time na yun. So, bale, ang outstanding share natin is 10,000 plus 25,000 plus 20 yung subscription, minus 5,000 yung treasury, and then plus 12,000 na issue na treasury na ordinary, and another 10,000 na na-issue plus yung reissued na treasury is equal to 100, is equals to 187 divide 5 is equals to 74,800. So ang outstanding share na natin is 74,800 kasi nga pinag-add natin yung mga na-issued natin, and then less yung treasury share tsaka yung subscription. Ita times natin siya sa 5 since na-declare na nga siya ng share split. So bale 74,800 times 5 divide 2 is equals to 187,000. So ang outstanding share na natin is 187,000 times 20% is equals to 37,400. So 37,500 na shares yung mabibigay natin ng share dividend. So bale, declare nga ng 20% share dividends nung 187. Ito yung 20% nun times 40 pesos fair value is equals to 1,496,000. And then since above siya sa 20%, wala siyang magiging share premium. So credit lang natin share distributable amount of 1,496 million. Ayan. And the next naman is in December 1 daw, reissue the remaining treasury share at cost. So na-reissue daw yung remaining na treasury share at cost na cost of 300 pesos. So cash, treasury shares, credit kasi na-reissue, amount of 660,000, 2,200 200 times 300 is equals to 660,000. And the next, noong December 15 daw, ay distribute na daw yung share dividend. So, share distributable, and then ordinary share. Yung amount is 1496. Yan. And then last, net income for the first year of operation was 5 million. So, in December 31 daw, ang net income daw natin is equals to 5 million. So, bale, income summary debit. Kasi nga, ililipat na natin siya sa retained earnings natin. So, credit, retained earnings. Amount of 5 million. Edi, ayun. So, tapos na yung requirement number 1 natin. Next naman is, next requirement, prepare a shareholders equity section of the statement of financial position as of December 31, 2020. So, nagready na ako ng ganito. Ilalagay na lang natin yung amount. So, nakalagay dito is yung preference shares, yung share premium ng preference, yung ordinary shares, share premium ng ordinary, donated capital, subscribe ordinary shares less subscription receivable, and then add yung retained earnings. So, ang cumulative preference shares natin ay 35,000 times 100 is equals to 3,500,000. So, ayan, 3,500,000. And then, ang share premium natin sa preference is amount of 2,625,000. And then, sa ordinary shares naman, so, bali nga, nag-declare ng share split dito, kaya bumaba yung par, and then, ang tumaas din yung authorized shares. Ang authorized shares lang natin dati nung hindi pa nagde-declare is equals to 100,000. So, bali, nag-declare nga ng 2/5 share split. Ayun, kaya naging 250,000 yung share authorized natin. So, ang issued and outstanding shares natin is 204,900 times 40 is equals to 8,196,000. And then, ang share premium naman natin sa ordinary lahat-lahat is 14,225,000. And then, ang donated capital natin is 500,000. Tapos, ang subscribe ordinary shares natin is 1 million na lang. Kasi nga, na-issued na yung kalahati. Less yung subscription receivable natin. Ang subscription receivable natin dati is 7 million less yung binayada na 4,500,000. So, ang subscription receivable na lang natin is equals to 2,500,000. Less siya kasi hindi pa nga siya nababayaran, so hindi pa siya kasama din sa equity natin. And then, so ibabawas natin siya dito, shareholder equity natin. Ayan. And then yung retained earnings natin, yung total shareholder capital muna. Total share capital i-compute natin. So, compute lang natin lahat yan para makuha natin yung total share capital. So, ang magiging sagot natin doon, amount is 27,546,000. Ayan. So, add natin yung retained earnings natin. So, ang retained earnings natin is 5 million yung income summary less yung mga dividends natin. So 5 million minus share dividends minus cash dividends na 214,000, and then yung loss natin sa issuance of treasury share below cost, so 42,000. And earnings natin is 3,248,000. So add lang natin yan, 27,546,000 plus 3,248,000 is equals to 30,794,000. So bale ito yung total shareholders equity natin. So ayun, tapos na.